August 26th, about 4:20 or so in the afternoon. Man, it's pouring rain out there right now. Look at that. It's coming down. It's raining harder just a couple of minutes ago. A friend of mine on the other side of town said it's not raining over there. It's definitely raining here. Look at that. Tuesday, August 26th, 2014. It's coming down. What's the temperature right now? Oh, it looks like it's about 86 out there. Let's see what it is inside. I think it's 69. Yep, I like this new digital thermostat. It keeps it at whatever I set it at. I've got it on 69. So it hovers right around 69. Nice and comfortable. Look at that rain come down, boys. Look at that. Raining its ass off. That's okay, the birds and trees and grass, all the plants out there, they need it. They need that rain. Huh. Rains any harder, they'll need that boat. Where's Noah? There we go. Let's see it, please. There's Shiloh right there under that chair. She likes to look out that window right there. I've got the chair there for her, but she's under it right now watching it rain. See how low that window goes right there? My friend's texting me back. I hear the phone. Alright, let's see it, please.